Alright people, so I'm using a different save at the moment because it just, all the extra stuff was just taking too long to load up, so it's just faster to edit and see what I can build and stuff. But I've still got the other map saved, so. Right, so in the last video I showed you this. I've added like a thing that drops down so you can't keep spawning loads after each other. Right, it'll drop down, spawn you one, and then it'll go back up after a second. There we go. Right, still working on this bit here. This is going to be, well, I'll show you in a second. Right, so this part here, just going to show you, we've got a smelt. Right, we've got the cooling area. Right, so I'm going to show you what we're going to do. I'm using a lot of custom models here. I'll show you them. Right, so we go up here. We've got iron ore. This is just rough, I was just doing it to test, and as you can see we've got nice hot water down there in the smelt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop some of this iron ore into the smelt. You need 3 pieces in order to get an iron ingot. Right, so that's in there. So now we'll go down and we'll have a look to see how long it smelted it. There we go. So what it comes out is a hot iron ingot. At the moment I don't know how to make it smoke or how to make it like glow, you know what I mean, like add some sort of overlay effect to it. But what I've done is, just to show you it's hot, I've made it red just so that we can use it as an example. So we've got a hot iron ingot, so what we have to do is we have to cool it. So what we do is we drop it into the cooling tower. Did that go in? Right, and then we wait down here for the iron ingot after it's cooled. There we go. So now we've got an iron ingot, and then we can repeat the process and build up a little collection. And then what I'm going to do is, you're going to be able to take this iron ingot. This isn't working at the moment, this is what I've got to do tomorrow, and you'll throw it in there. And then you'll throw some wood in here. I'm going to make some timber, and I'm thinking of different combinations and stuff for different items. So in some you'll throw like an iron ingot in one, or maybe 2 iron ingots, and then you'll throw in, I think what's called a 1, you know, some wood in there, and you'll get an axe handle or something. But I'm just, at the moment I'm just messing about, seeing how many different ways there are I can do crafting, different styles of crafting, because obviously there's many ways you can do it. I'm just thinking of different ways at the moment, see what I can come up with. But yeah, I think it's coming along really well. I'm really happy that everything's working finally, and I'm going to keep you guys updated, and I will show you the development tomorrow. So I'll see you later.